Today, I'm going to show you the best way to make a French toast, restaurant style. We are going to talk everything about how to make a perfect French toast. Let me show you the ingredients for making French toast. Let's go through our ingredients. I'll be using 2 eggs for this French toast recipe. So I'll be adding 2 teaspoons of sugar. Then I'm going to mix this. I'm going to whip this until everything is well completed with the egg and with the sugar. I want everything to look very creamy. So this recipe is very perfect for breakfast, and it's an easy recipe that you can make at home and you enjoy a homemade classic French toast. So I'll be adding half teaspoon of salt. Then I'm going to go ahead and add quarter teaspoon of cinnamon. I like adding cinnamon. I also call for cinnamon. I'm adding 1 cup of milk. This fresh toast is also a classic fresh toast that you can take for breakfast. I actually have a recipe on how to make French toast without vanilla extract. If you don't have vanilla extract, how to make it, you can also check that out. I'll put the link in the description below. So I'm going to go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of vanilla. This is a vanilla extract. It actually French toast or also called for vanilla. So I'm going to show you the basic way of making a classic restaurant style of French toast. Once everything is well combined or cooperated together, you are going to soak your bread into your butter. So you can use any type of bread. I'm using white bread for this recipe. You can use wheat bread. You can use any regular bread you have available to make your French toast. So let's go straight to the pan. After soaking it for about 2 minutes, I'm going to add butter into my pan. I don't want my butter to be like too melt. So I want my soaked bread to absorb that butter. So it will make my French toast come out perfectly the way I want it. Then I'm going to flip it to the other side. I don't want it to be too soggy, like too soft in the middle, but I want my French toast to be perfectly cooked and come out like crunchy, not too soft, not too dry, and everything come out perfect the way French toast should come. So after toasting this in the pan, I'm going to serve it. You can eat French toast for breakfast. There are a lot of things you can add to your topping of your French toast. Usually add strawberries. Sometimes I add blackberries, and sometimes I add raspberries. It all depends on what you feel like adding on your topping. You can also add a whipped cream. You can add butter. I normally add butter, so I'm going to go ahead and add my strawberries. I already add that. Then also I'm going to go ahead and add blueberries. I like adding blueberries my French toast, especially when I'm taking it for breakfast. Give it that nice flavor of berries with your French toast. So I'm going to go ahead and add a butter as well. You can add unsalted butter. It gives it a unique taste when you are eating it with syrup. You can also add other toppings to your French toast. So I'm just going to go ahead and add some syrup to give it that nice taste to enjoy my fresh homemade French toast. This is a basic homemade French toast that you can enjoy. So this is the outcome of our French toast. Please do not forget to check this out. There are so many recipes in my channel that you can go through. If you really enjoy watching on my recipe, please go through my channels, and please do not forget to like, share, and comment, and do not forget to subscribe. Hope to see you again.